Oswal Pumps IPO brings you an exciting opportunity in India's renewable and water infrastructure wave. Incorporated in 2003, Oswal Pumps has evolved into a leading manufacturer of solar and submersible pumps, electric motors, and more, serving both domestic and international markets. The IPO is priced between Rs 584 and Rs 614 per share, and each lot contains 24 shares. Retail investors can apply for a minimum of one lot, which will cost around Rs 14,736, and a maximum of 13 lots, amounting to nearly Rs 1,91,568. For high net worth individuals, or HNIs, the small HNI category starts at 14 lots, which totals to about Rs 2,06,304, and goes up to 67 lots. That's around Rs 9,87,312. The big HNI category begins at 68 lots, costing approximately Rs 10,02,048. The issue opens from June 13th to June 17th. Allotment will be released on June 18th, and the shares will debut on the BSE and NSE on June 20th. Financially, the company has seen impressive growth. For the quarter ending December 2024, revenue was Rs 1,067 crore, jumping from Rs 387 crore in March 2023. Profit after tax surged to Rs 216 crore from just Rs 34 crore a year before. Oswal Pumps also supports India's PM Kusum solar scheme, completing over 26,000 turnkey solar pump installations across key states like Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra. With a manufacturing unit spanning more than 41,000 square meters in Karnal, Haryana, and a distributor network growing from 473 to 636 outlets since March 2022, Oswal Pumps shows solid operational reach. Exports are expanding too, reaching 17 countries across Asia-Pacific, the Middle East, and North Africa between April 2021 and March 2024. The IPO proceeds will fund capital expenditure of Rs 89 crore, expand Oswal Solar with Rs 273 crore, repay debt of Rs 280 crore for the parent company and Rs 31 crore for its solar arm, along with corporate expenses. Overall, this IPO appeals to medium and long-term investors. Strong financials, government-backed solar projects, improving exports, and focused use of funds make it compelling. Just watch out for subsidy changes and sector concentration as potential risks. With positive grey market signals, Oswal Pumps IPO is positioned for success. If your investment horizon is medium to long-term, this could be a smart addition to your portfolio. If this video helped you, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. To get all the updates on current and upcoming IPOs, check www.stockhoney.in. Happy IPO investing! To invest in IPO, you require a trading and DMAT account. Check the link in the description to get IPO ready.